New to Python, then don't skip this. Most beginners get array copying totally wrong. In under 2 minutes, I will show you the right way. The mistake everyone makes. Let's say you try to copy a list like this. Array 1 equal 1, 2, 3. Array 2 equal array 1. Array 2 0 index equal 99. Print array 1. Array 1 equal 1, 2, 3, our original list. Then we assign it to array 2. Now we change the first element of array 2 to 99. Let's print array 1. Save and run. Control plus S for save. Shift plus F10 for run. We got 99, 2, 3. Boom. Array 1 also changed. Why? Because both array 1 and array 2 point to the same list. No actual copy happened. 3 right ways to copy list. Using dot copy. Here's how you should copy the list properly using dot copy. Array 1 equal 1, 2, 3. Okay. Array 2 equal array 1 dot copy. Array 2 0 index equal 99. Print array 1. Okay. Array 2 equal array 1 dot copy creates a shallow copy. Now modifying array 2 won't affect array 1. Save and run. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Array 1 stays unchanged. Number 2. Using list constructor. Another clean way using list. Array 2 equal list of array 1. Print array 2. Save and run. 1, 2, 3. This wraps the original list and creates a new copy. Number 3. Using slicing. Or go super short, just slice it. Array 2 equal array 1 colon. Print array 2. Save and run. We got 1, 2, 3. Colon means copy everything first. Simple, effective. Quick recap. Equal means both variables share the same list. Avoid it. Use dot copy, list or colon to actually copy it. If this saved you from a future bug, hit and subscribe to Master of Data Science for more Python tips.